Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on AOL Mail. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change AOL Mail account password. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to AOL.com. To change your password, you must already be logged in to your account. Once you are logged in, tap the profile icon with your username. Here, tap the Account Security tab. Now scroll down and you can see the Change Password link. So tap on it. You can now create a new password. When done, tap Continue. And that's how you change AOL Mail account password. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.